Good morning, children. Welcome to science class. So, in science, we are learning the 14th block, which is drinking water. Yes, and in the first topic, we have learned the amount of water which is available for drinking. Isn't it, children? Which is very, very less. It is only three parts of the water. Yes. So, in the second topic, we are going to learn about water scarcity. So, scarcity is nothing but shortage of water. Okay, if you see our country, not only our country, in some countries, there is a lot of drinking water because we have many rivers, isn't it, children? We have northern plains, northern mountains from which the rivers start and they flow into the plains. Yes, so there is plenty of water which they can use it in their day to day life and also in the agriculture. But there are some places in India which are facing the scarcity of water. For example, if you see Rajasthan, in Rajasthan, women has to walk for some kilometers to get the drinking water. Okay, they have, if they want water, then they have to walk for about 2 or 3 to 5, sometimes 10 kilometers also to get the water. Okay, and in some places like very poor housing areas will be there, no, in those places, like the see how they are have lined up, how they have queued up. So in that way they have to stand in a line and get the drinking water. Okay, by which we can say that they are places where people face scarcity of water. In some places they have to buy the water bottles, the tins, water tins, which will be very expensive for them. Okay, and also in some areas people use that polluted water only for their day to day life, for drinking, for cooking, for everything they use that polluted water only, by which they fall sick. Isn't it, children? So with this we can say that there is water scarcity, even though in some areas there is plenty of water. Okay, by this only we can say that water everywhere and not a drop to drink. Okay, and that is a line from from a poem. Okay, from a poem called, famous poem called Rhyme of Ancient Mariner. Okay, it is written by Samuel Taylor Coleridge. Okay, and that poem is about a sailor who lost in the sea. He was not able to find his way back home through the water transport. So that is about the did you know in this block, children. Okay, so this is our topic for today, children. I have given few keywords in your daily schedule. Please learn them and write it in your classwork. Coming to your question answers. Drinking water is easily available in India. The government has provided running water connection to all the areas. Is this statement true or false? Give reasons. Is this true? No, it is false. There are large number of people who depend on wells, rivers, lakes for drinking water. Okay, running water is not available to all the houses. For some houses, it is running water. For some houses it is daily, they'll get at certain amount, at a period of time. That means at some time they'll have water. For some people it is alternate days. For some people it is 2 days, after 2 days you will get water. So it is not true. So write that, children. Okay, write this answer in your classwork and please learn it, children. Next, people in villages have to struggle to get drinking water, but people in cities get drinking water easily. Is this statement true or false? Give examples. Give reasons for your answer. Yes, this is also false. Okay, people who are living in cities also have the water scarcity problem. Okay, they have to queue up for hours together to get the water, when it is an area which is poor housing areas. Isn't it, children? So write these answers in your classwork and please learn it, children. Coming to your homework, complete the volume book 2, page number 31, S2, water scarcity. Okay, so in the next class we will learn the next topic, children. See you in the next class. Bye.